Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change dark theme outlook to light. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, let's open Outlook. Now you will see an interface like this. Now go over here on settings on top right, click on it, select journal and click on appearance. Now select light. You can also select colors, images from here. Select light and click on save. That's it. You are set to go. Your dark theme is changed to light. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.